In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a direct deposit in QuickBooks. If you're looking to stop a payment you've set up for a vendor or contractor, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to navigate to the sign in page for your QuickBooks account. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you directly to the login interface where you can enter your account details. Choose QuickBooks Online as your desired product, which specifies the particular QuickBooks service you're using and helps streamline your login process. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username or email and your password. Make sure you've entered all the details correctly, as even a small mistake can prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your credentials, click Continue to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the left-hand side menu and look for the Expenses tab. This is where all the financial transactions related to your vendors and contractors are organized. After clicking on Expenses, you'll see another section labeled Vendors. Select that option to display all your vendor contacts. The list of vendors will appear, and from there you'll want to select the specific contractor for whom you need to cancel a payment. Locate the contractor's name and open their transaction history. You'll then see a list of all the payments associated with that contractor. Look for the payment you intend to cancel. It's crucial to double check you're selecting the correct transaction to avoid any inconveniences. Once you've found the correct payment, look for the View Edit option linked to that transaction. Clicking on this will bring up the details of the payment, allowing you to make changes as necessary. Now, you'll need to direct your attention to the bottom of the payment details where you will see the More option. Clicking More will provide additional actions you can take on the transaction, including cancelling it. In the list of actions, select either Delete or Void based on your specific needs. Delete will remove the transaction entirely, whereas Void will simply invalidate it while keeping a record for your reference. Choose the option that best aligns with your records policy. To finalize the process, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Go ahead and select Yes to confirm the cancellation of the direct deposit. This final step is crucial as it ensures that your changes are saved and committed to your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. You've successfully cancelled a direct deposit in QuickBooks. Remember that it's always a good practice to review your transaction details after making changes to ensure accuracy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.